Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to sell tickets on Gametime app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Gametime app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on sale at the bottom. You will see a list of events you have tickets for. Tap the event that you want to sell tickets for. After selecting the event, tap the tickets you want to sell. Enter your selling price. Gametime will even suggest a competitive price based on market trends. Make sure your price works for you. Review all your listing details including seat number and ticket quantity. Once everything looks correct, tap list tickets or post for sale. Your tickets are now live and available for buyers to purchase. And that's it. You have successfully listed your tickets for sale on Gametime app using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.